This is Series 1, Episode 83. Today is the 17th of October 2021 and it's a Sunday. Well, I'm doing this video on a Sunday because I believe this stock is about to break out. So I'm going to give you a trade idea. Now, everything I talk about in this video is for informational purposes only. If you decide to take action upon that information, that is your decision. You are responsible for your trading decisions. Now let me get cracking. The company I'm going to talk about is Genesis Energy, ticker symbol GEL. This is a oil and gas play. I'm trying to trade with the current trend in the markets, with the news about gas, and I want to try and get you in on this trade before it moves. So before I go into more detail about the stock, I just want to show you the general trend. So I'm going to talk about some other stocks that are also in this industry, just so you can see what's happening. This stock here is ticker symbol DCP. Look at how it's breaking out. I've missed this. This is a potential trade here, for example, but I don't want to take that one. Another one, LNG. Look at the big move on this stock. These are all stocks in the same industry. This one, DKL. They're all moving, guys. I'm trying to trade with the current market trend on this particular industry. Back to GEL, Genesis Energy. So this is the bigger picture. I want to highlight one more thing before I go into the technicals, and that is the earnings. Earnings is due November 4th, 2021. So keep that in your diary if you want to take this trade, because when earnings comes out, the stock could move either direction. So I just wanted to highlight that to you as well. Now I'm going to go down to the daily chart here and start talking about the technicals. I'm going to go into detail and give you a nice trade plan. Of course, like I said before, if you decide to take action upon that, that's your decision. My regular viewers will know what I'm about to talk about, hopefully. My favourite technical pattern, the cup of handle. Here it is. Here is your cup high. I'm drawing it in with a mouse, guys, so it's not going to be perfect, but you'll understand what I mean. Here's your base, and then price comes up to here, and this is your handle of the cup. There is your handle. Now the reason I like this, guys, is because we've actually broken out of the handle. So if you watch my videos regularly, you'll know what I mean. And if you understand cup of handles, we need to see a break of the handle high, which was here. Price has broken out already. So that's very important to note. Also pay attention to the volume. Look at the volume down here. Look how much interest is suddenly appearing in this stock. And we're trying to trade with the current news about gas. Let me zoom in slightly more. Now here comes the trade plan, guys. I want to get in on this stock as close to $11 as possible. $11. Stop loss will be $10. Now the reason I'm putting my stop loss there, and I do not like talking about stop losses on YouTube because I find my stop losses get hunted every time I talk about them. I'm going to talk about it just so you've got a plan. My stop loss, emergency stop loss, will be $10 because this handle was formed and then a low point was formed here, right there. You see that low? So the stop loss is just below that low point at $10. So you know when you get in on this trade where the risk, if you get in on this trade, sorry, where your risk is. $10. Entry as close to 11 as possible, and then take profit. Where can we expect price to go? Well, we can. Market gives us clues. Let's zoom out. Right, we can see this high point up here. Let me draw that in. Horizontal line there. We can expect to see price trying to, well, I think so anyway. We can expect to see price trying to make his way up to almost $13. And who knows where it could go from then, guys, because it could just break out. Let's go back to that bigger time frame. Look at the potential on this stock. Who knows where it's going to go. So there's the first take profit, and then it could break out from there. But also look at this, guys. Let me just zoom back in again. Look at how the price, let me change this. As price broke out of this, above this handle point, look how it's consolidating. What I mean is it's going up and down, and it's forming a box. And you'll see me talk about this kind of thing all the time. Once price breaks out of the box, it tends to move quite quickly. So it's consolidating in that box now, and this is why it looks ready to put and poised, ready to move. And there's the trade plan, guys. Very simple and high probability trade setup. You know where your exit is, you know where your take profit, minimum take profit is, and there it is. Genesis Energy, ticker symbol GEL. Is this about to move? I think possibly yes. I've done everything I can to explain it to you. So if you take action upon this, that's your decision. Of course, I wish you the best of luck. Please, guys, please press that like button because it helps with the YouTube algorithm. Comment and subscribe if you enjoy what I'm doing. And I'll do another video as soon as I see another setup. I do see a lot of stock setting up, so it could be a whole array of videos coming for you. Speak to you soon.